All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to Trade Talk. Today I'm going to hit you with my first new pick of the year 2023. To make this pick, I'd like to do a quick rewind and do a review of what we saw happen in the year 2022, because what happened in 2022 is going to be the basis and the thesis behind this first new pick of the year 2023. So here we go, right? The year 2022, it might go down as one of the worst market years ever. You know the story. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, all were lower. Small caps were lower. It was a pretty bad year from an investment strategy. But the worst of the year 2022 came in two areas. It came from cryptos and it came from the meme stocks, all right? So let's take a second and just think about the mentality of what happened at the time when crypto was moving up and meme stocks were exploding. 7 million new trading accounts were opened, and primarily it was younger investors and younger traders, video game enthusiasts, millennials in their parents' basement, and they essentially thought they were smarter than everyone else.
And I'm smarter than everyone in this room.
Crypto, because you don't understand, this is the new big thing. They were buying meme stocks. We buy bankrupt companies and play short squeezes and stick it to the Wall Street guys. And for a hot second, that worked, right? Like cryptos were going up, meme stocks were going up. And there was a point where all these new 7 million young Robinhood traders, for lack of a better description, they were world beaters. They thought we had outsmarted the old Wall Street guard. They were better investors than my dad. They were smarter than my grandpa. Those guys don't get it anymore. They're yesterday's news. We're the new, we're like the new face of Wall Street, okay?
You need to relax.
All of these non-fungible tokens, they're not worth anything. So you have all these new traders thinking to themselves, maybe I need to get back into something that's real. And something that's real, in my opinion, is if you drop it on your foot and it hurts, that's real. And when you think about it that way, I think what's going to happen, especially now in 2023, is all these young traders are going to start going back into real assets, and that's going to lead them right into gold. Yeah, gold. The most plain, the most basic commodity hedge out of anything you could possibly imagine. And the pick that I have for you today is going to be a gold asset pick, but it's also going to play to the action and the edge and the movement, the big price movement that this younger set wants. What is that play? It's Nugget, N-U-G-T. So what Nugget is a 2 times leveraged gold play, and it primarily holds the GDX, which is a basket of the biggest, strongest, most reputable, most established gold companies in the entire world. So, whether it's Newmont Mining or Barrick Gold or any of those other ones, they all come together, they go in this basket, and it's tracked under the ticker symbol Nugget, which amplifies the move by a factor of 2. So if gold goes up 1%, the Nugget is designed to go up 2 times that move, up or down. So it's going to give the young meme traders who they love the action and they love the edge, it's going to give them exactly what they want. It's going to give them a real asset for the first time in their life, and it's going to also give them the movement that they want. So it has both things. It's probably the perfect way to capture that sub-segment in a real asset. And that's going to be the pick for today.
You're welcome.
Buy Nugget, N-U-G-T, buy it at current levels. I think it's going to be a great play for 2023. If you like this episode, put a comment below. Ask us what you want to see for new episodes and for future episodes in 2023. And as always, you know the tagline. Stop hating, start trading. Have a great week, everyone. Talk to you soon.